Welcome to HelloBooks.ai. In this guide, we'll show you how to effortlessly create, approve, and manage multi-item invoices to keep your business running smoothly. Starting from your main dashboard, navigate to the sidebar and click on Invoices under the Sales section to view your billing overview. To get started with a fresh bill, simply click the Add Invoice button at the top right of your screen. Begin by selecting your customer. Here, you can also set your invoice date, due date, and choose whether your pricing is tax-inclusive or exclusive. Now let's add your items. You can enter descriptions, quantities, and unit prices for each product or service you're billing for. Once you've added multiple line items and verified the totals, click Marked as Approved to finalize the document and move it to your awaiting payment list. With the invoice approved, you can now record incoming payments. Locate the Record Incoming Payments section to keep your books up to date. Choose the specific bank or asset account where the payment will be deposited from the drop-down menu. Review the payment reference and the total amount paid. When everything looks correct, click Record Payment to complete the transaction. Ready to transform your financial workflow? Visit HelloBooks.ai today to book a personalized demo and see how our AI can simplify your business. Your smarter accounting journey starts here.